Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. On today's episode, we are doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement, but someone's already tinkered around in here. We got missing screws, damaged cables, we got some random Captain tape by the HDMI port. It's not good. I don't like it. No, sir, I don't like it. But we've already cleaned it all up. It was really dusty in there, and in the mini heat sink, we took care of all that. So now we're going to do the actual repair now that it's all cleaned up, but I just wanted to make sure to document the damage and random Captain tape. Ooh, I'm kind of scared to look at the liquid metal. Oh, and then I also forgot to mention this is out of place. That does not go right there. I'll have to fix that as well. Alright, surprisingly the liquid metal doesn't look too bad. There is some displacement. At this point, I'm more concerned about this HDMI port. It's extremely loose and it's definitely been worked on before, so someone already had their hand in this before the clients decided to bring it to us. Alright, we're not even gonna prep it, we're just gonna get it out of here. It's just not even really in place. A for effort for whatever shop did that or whoever did that. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna work. It's going to work. Yep. Alright, let's clear these post holes out and assess the damage. No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully there is no damage. But we are going to have to call the client and let them know price is going to have to adjust whenever there's salvage work involved. Okay. Just got to clear the rest out. I always like to use a chisel tip, a large chisel tip, because it's able to put enough heat in to absorb to get the job done, whatever it may be, whether it's getting solder in, getting solder out, that type of thing. So, quite a bit of solder in there. It keeps looking like that one hole isn't freaking cleared. Well, that'll have to do for now. Go ahead and get this side. And then we'll clean up that other side from the other side, if that makes sense. The hole that didn't want to clear, we'll be able to get it once we flip it over. And doing good. There we go. Alright. But of course, so at least there's no torn pads. There is the missing 0201 right there. Completely gone. Completely out of the equation. Better than torn pads, I guess. Yeah. I don't know, man. People do strange stuff. People definitely do strange stuff. If you're gonna learn, don't learn at people's expense. Buy junk boards and learn at your own expense. I'm just glad there's no jumper wires needed for sure. Some of these post holes just don't want to clear. Alright, so let's hit that other side again, and then we can get the pins cleared up. Doesn't want to get that little piece. Get the little piece, I tell you. Oh, well, might have to come back on that one. But there we go, that's all cleared out. I wonder if that's damage. Alright, we got that 0201 capacitor back in place. Well, in place since the other one was knocked off or removed or whatever the hell. And now it's time to get this new port on. So there's the pins and the capacitor. Let's go ahead and get the posts in place. Alright, let's clean this up and get it tested and get the client back to gaming. We've got to just notify them about the small price adjustments due to the salvage work and missing component. Other than that, we're all good. Oh, and the liquid metal thermal compound displacement. Alright, there we go. Alright, we are back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, hit that bell notification, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again for tuning in.